Morning, it's Thursday, December 24th, 2015, Christmas Day. It's really odd as this is the third day of rain. It's really unseasonably warm though. That's 3 days of rain. Still having a hard time, especially since it's Christmas and nobody's around, to find a place to put the trailer. My mom wants me to rent a spot. I really wanted to just take it down south or out west. I wanted to go to Florida and clear out my storage unit with it first, and I also have some stuff to move from up here that's heavy. Clear this storage unit out. She's like scared to be alone, so she's scared if she falls on the floor nobody can pick her up or whatever. I can understand that. What just sucks is that we're already negative cash flow, and to add another storage unit and take these trailer out of the equation, it stops us from solving any problems and creates a new one, which I didn't want. Alright, I'm going to take a ride out to, first I'm going to get the mail at both my post offices, and I'm going to go up and check out storage units. I'm going to go to my other storage unit and see if that one's long enough. Maybe I can excavate it to fit the trailer in there if I pack it down tight. Running out of time before this snow comes, and even if I put it in my storage unit, I'm still going to have a problem with the car. If I put it in a new storage unit, I can put the car on top of the trailer. Theoretically, I end up having to sell the car, and it's not even my car. I'll have to either bring it back to North Carolina or sell it and buy it from my friend and pay the difference. And it looks like they're trying to sell this hardware store. I knew that wasn't going to work there. Might work like have like a sub shop there. Yeah, this is the other post office. Merry Christmas, everybody, by the way. This is Christmas Eve today, 2015. I wasn't able to locate the storage units my mom was referring to, so I don't think they're there. I'm going to go check the storage unit that I already have. These are pretty packed, but I might be able to make enough room to get the trailer in if they're long enough, which I don't think they are. Well, I was able to go in there and get some measurements. They aren't as big as I thought they were, actually. One is 11.1 by 19.4. The other one is 11.5 by 22. They aren't anywhere near what I thought the sizes were. I thought one was like 30, the other one was like 25, but they aren't packed super tight. I mean, they're packed tight. The one's packed pretty tight, but I think I can smush them down pretty good if I get a big unit. I have to do the math. I'm going to head up to Penn Argyle and take a look at the storage units up there. I don't know if they're going to be open on Christmas Eve or not. And another problem I have to consider if I'm emptying those ones out is cost of transportation. I would have rather been doing this with my own box truck, which I probably am going to end up doing. But if I had to rent a truck, it's going to end up costing too. If these things are pretty local, then it won't be as bad, but I don't know, we'll see. What I want to do is temporarily get a big enough place to put my car and car trailer. Yeah, car trailer with a car on it. And then later on pull them out and clear these garages out to that. Sorting them out on the way, hopefully losing a lot of volume and selling a lot of stuff. I just checked out Advantage Storage and Rental. They don't even have anything that big. Normally, like, they're renting like a 20-foot, it'll actually be 19 feet. You know, they're always doing that. I don't know why they don't build them the right size or advertise them as the right size. Even in down in Stanton, Virginia, the storage units down there, like only like one bank of them is the right size. The other buildings are built like a foot smaller. This guy gave me a tip on another storage place nearby that might have the bigger units, and I'm gonna check it out and see. And if they have one that's gonna fit it, that it looks like it'll fit it, I'll get it. If it looks high enough. And then I'll, if I get a real big one, I'll start to consolidate the other storage unit into it. Well, sadly, I must have just missed them by 45 minutes. Here's the units. Uh, 6 to 9 p.m. month to month. 20 by 30. That's a nice unit. 20 by 30. Oh my God. 15 by 30. Like 20 by 30 would be nice. A clear banger right out if these are reasonable. 15 by 30, 10 by 30, 10 by 25. So the least I could do is 10 by 25. I'd like to get a 20 by 30 if I could afford it. Eliminate that whole other one. This is pretty far from home. Well, I guess one office says it closes on December. Oh, okay, they're open on the 26th to the 31st, and they're going to close again. They're pretty nice units. It's high and dry, modern looking. If you forget your code, you get locked in. I'll check online. I don't know the name of this place. Oh, EastPennSelfStorage.com. Okay. Should take a trip up to Wegmans, if I could remember where it was, and get some meat for dinner. There's some really good food there. You know, good stores up here. I'm actually just cruising around looking for more potential opportunities. More rentals, or maybe a house rental. My mom could, you know, if she doesn't want to move that far that quick, she might be interested in one around here, just as a stopover. I'm about 6 miles outside of Nazareth. I like Nazareth, actually. I don't know if it's changed much. I haven't been here for a while. Wish I could remember where Wegmans was. I'd go to the store and buy some hamburger or something for tonight. Oh, I know where we are. Yeah, it's a really nice day. You wouldn't think it was late December for Pennsylvania. Hope this holds out long enough for me to get that dealt with. Well, this trip was kind of a waste. Can't find Wegmans. There's a Giant. I don't think their meat's... I don't know how their meat is. I'm not... You know... I don't know why quality's dropped so much in all the stores. It really has. Well, I'm going to try to find Route 33 and go to Stroudsburg and I'll buy her some pizza or something. Yeah, this town's gotten a lot busier than I remember it. A lot of history to this town. I don't know which way to go. Well, I put a $34 takeout meal on my credit card for my mom. I hope that puts her in a better mood than she's been in. She's telling me I wasn't looking for storage units. But I was. I'll actually film the darn trip. She says there's storage units on 512 by Horns. And there wasn't, except for the ones I don't want to use, which are farther down. I got a sausage pizza with extra cheese and a large calzone. So it's our Christmas Eve dinner. I'm starting to wonder if I missed my turn. Sometimes the signs aren't clear. I'm trying to follow 512 back home. Not sure if this is the right way. Yeah, I think I went by this stuff before. I don't remember it. I remember a nice view though. I might possibly be in the right track, I hope. I guess I'm going to start filming a trip from here. She's telling me there's storage units up by 5 Points, which is actually pretty far from here, but we're going to film the trip anyway. Nah, I'll film it when I get closer. Alright, I'll start filming the trip from here, and then I'll show it to my mom and say, okay, where's the storage units of which she speaks. Farm, house, commercial garages, somebody's plumbing business or something. Houses. Some other kind of auto service. Factory. Woods. Can't believe she's accusing me of not looking. I rode up and down several times. Oh boy. Houses. More houses. Woods. Now this is 5 points right here. So she's saying it's on the other side, just almost on the other side there. There's storage units. However, if there ever were any, I don't see where they are. Todd's Auto Body. Houses. Huge commercial building for rent. Wouldn't mind having that building, but that would be way out of whack. Nothing. There's the Horns place. No storage units there. Dentistry building. KBR storage. Oh, that's that barn. The Arrow. I went there a long time ago. That's horrible storage unit. They aren't even high up. Guess I'll check them tomorrow. So I guess she was sort of right. There's a little sign, and you can't read it going the other way, that's for sure. Well, it's hard to believe I see UPS out here delivering, and it's Christmas Eve. I'm going to the store. Hopefully they're still open, I don't know. Get some cranberry juice and get my mom a pack of Reese's peanut butter cups. I mix the cranberry juice with some other kind of berry juice, and it comes out to be this perfect juice. Very healthy stuff.